10 signs you're an overthinker. Overthinking is the mind's labyrinth, a place where thoughts run wild, seeking exits that seem to multiply with every turn. It's a silent struggle, often invisible to others, but vividly felt by those caught in its loops. Number 1. The replay button is always on. You find yourself replaying conversations and events in your mind, analyzing them from 100 different angles, wondering what you could have said or done differently. Number 2. Decision paralysis. Every decision, no matter how small, feels like a monumental dilemma. You're trapped in the weighing of pros and cons, fearing to make the wrong choice. Number 3. Worrying about things you can't control. Your mind often wanders to scenarios and outcomes beyond your control, creating anxiety over what might never happen. Number 4. Perfectionism in disguise. You obsess over details, striving for perfection in everything you do, convinced that it's just thoroughness, not realizing it's a loop of overthinking. Number 5. Sleepless nights. Your brain refuses to shut off at bedtime, leaving you staring at the ceiling as a myriad of thoughts parade through your mind, robbing you of rest. Number 6. Fear of the future. You're constantly projecting into the future, trying to anticipate and prepare for every possible outcome, often fearing the worst. Number 7. Difficulty living in the moment. Being present is a challenge because your mind is always elsewhere, tangled in the webs of thoughts about the past or future. Number 8. Chronic indecisiveness. Making even the simplest choice becomes a saga because you're overthinking all the possible ramifications. Number 9. You're your own worst critic. Your inner dialogue is harsh, constantly critiquing and second-guessing your actions, words, and choices. Number 10. Social situations feel like minefields. You overanalyze social interactions, worrying about how you're perceived, what to say next, and deciphering others' reactions in real time. Recognizing these signs is the first step out of the labyrinth. It's not about silencing your thoughts, but learning to navigate them with grace. Remember, your mind is a powerful ally, and with gentle guidance, you can transform overthinking from a maze into a garden, a place of growth, not entrapment. Drop a yes if you agree with me, and pass this to someone who needs it. God bless.